Are you thinking about getting the Clareo Automotive Brush? It's been popping up all over the internet lately, with ads claiming it's the ultimate gadget for keeping your windshield spotless and fog-free. It promises to remove oil films, watermarks and dirt in seconds, giving you a crystal clear view every time you drive. The company markets it as a meticulously designed in the USA windshield brush that not only cleans but also applies an anti-rain repellent for better visibility. It's supposed to make your glass look brand new, prevent fog, and even improve driving safety. The product is available in different bundles, and the brand claims to have over 15,000 happy customers. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But is Clareo really as good as it looks? Or is it just another overhyped car gadget? Let's find out. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. First, the marketing claims seem a bit too good to be true. Clareo is advertised as a revolutionary cleaning solution, but from what it looks like, it's more of a regular microfiber cleaning pad combined with a basic liquid formula. Many similar brushes can be found on platforms like AliExpress, Temu, or Amazon for much cheaper, often with identical designs and packaging, just under different names. That suggests Clareo might be a rebranded product sold at a higher price. Then there's the discount strategy. The site shows a 50% off limited time offer, limited stock and bestseller banners everywhere. These urgency tactics are often used on viral gadget sites to pressure buyers into quick purchases. The problem? These so-called limited deals never seem to end. They just reset to make you feel like you're missing out. Another big concern is with the reviews. The Clareo website claims 15,342 reviews, but when you scroll down, it suddenly says based on 8,092 reviews. That inconsistency alone is suspicious. Even worse, when you check trusted platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit, there are no real reviews or discussions about the product. That's a huge red flag, because if a product had truly sold that many units, there should be at least some buzz or independent feedback online. And when we look at similar products' customer experiences, it doesn't get better. Users on other sites who bought the same type of windshield brush complain that it doesn't clean properly, doesn't repel rain, and even leaves scratches. One buyer said it's nothing but soap water with foam. Another called it a complete scam, saying it made the windshield worse after use. That's worrying, considering Clareo makes nearly identical claims and looks exactly the same. Transparency is another issue. The Clareo website doesn't clearly mention who owns the brand, where it's based, or how to reach customer support. That makes getting help or refunds difficult if something goes wrong. The 14-day money-back guarantee they advertise also has tricky fine print. You can only get a refund if the product is unopened, unused, and in perfect condition. Basically, if you test it and it doesn't work, you can't return it. And finally, the phrase meticulously designed in the USA may sound reassuring, but it doesn't mean the product is made or quality controlled there. It's often just marketing language used to sound premium. Combined with all the sales tactics and lack of independent proof, it's hard to confidently say this product lives up to its bold claims. So, is Clareo Automotive Brush legit or a scam? Well, it's not necessarily a total scam. It's more likely an overhyped, generic product dressed up with fancy marketing. The lack of transparency, mixed claims and suspicious reviews are definite warning signs. If you're looking for something that truly keeps your windshield clean and clear, it might be safer to stick with trusted automotive cleaning brands or products with verified reviews on well-known platforms.